Hello friends, we are PHAT sugarcane machine in Vietnam. Today I will introduce you to the sugarcane machine, with 4-roller compact designs suitable for use in eateries, restaurants, cafes. It is PT40-4S Table top sugarcane juicer machine. The 4-roller diamond design is made of high-grade, stainless steel anti-rust, safe for health, and especially the machine parts are made from stainless steel, so it is easy to clean the machine. It can extract max 99% only once pressed only, dry and crushed bagasse. You should not squeeze a second time. It can be said that PT40-4S sugarcane machine is one of the models chosen by many customers for beginner shops or small business to save investment costs. If you have any questions or need our advice, please contact 00849438667666. Have Viber, WhatsApp, Zalo, or send a request to email canemachinetanphat@gmail.com. Thank you for your interest in our products. Looking forward to cooperating with you.